So let's take a quick look at what I did inside this boat, at least in this version 1.0 or whatnot. First thing I did was, well, I did a couple of things first, but I took everything off. This box just comes straight out, and there's no cover on the side. There's a little gasket there, so you can see the circuit board if you need to get in solder or anything. But anyhow, I pulled out the bad connection on the positive and put in a new one. That was actually the most time-consuming part, as those things usually are. The other thing I did was I got rid of the water sensing switch to actually power this on and off. Instead, I have a regular toggle switch up here that will turn it on and off. Now, this one I put in for now is not waterproof because it's something I had in hand. I might have a little cup or something to put over it, but so don't get that too wet. And then that is wired into what was going down to the water lead here. The other thing you'll see that I did is I took out their wires and I replaced it with a JST2 connector here, so that if I'm taking this apart, it's a little easier to take apart. Also, if I want to eventually put a different battery pack in there, I could do that. Other than that, that was pretty straightforward, just kind of futzing with that positive mostly. And then it goes back together, the screws will go back on. And so now to turn on the boat, you would turn it on like that. And then you have the remote control, which I had previously adapted for an external joystick. And it, as you can see, it is working just fine. So that looks better. The AA batteries, I don't know how long they're going to last, but at least now we are getting consistent, and we know for sure whether the thing is on or off. So there's a step forward.